Supplies or something dropping over that way.
Good spot. I just got picked off by somebody over there who's hiding behind the wall where I think Brody you were earlier. Where we got those guys. And they were camping the galley, that's right.
Yeah, I'm with Bazooka right now.
Oh, Roger.
One ahead of us.
Moving on yours. Copy.
Just took an OP down.
Nice.
Fucking trench gun.
Looks like our tank's in trouble.
What settings can you see?
It's taking hits from enemy AT.
Another OP down.
Nice.
Another OP down.
Oh shit, yeah, they're in trouble.
Okay, nice.
Another OP down.
Jesus.